complainant in this case undergone a phishing expedition, my lord. What is happening these days where they call you and they take your OTP and they take your money from one account to the other.
इसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। हाँ,
शांत कुमार है, जामतारा का है, वहाँ टीम भी भेजे हैं।
हाँ,
4 बार टीम गई है।
हाँ,
वो जामतारा से भाग जाते हैं और जामतारा में थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बिंग एरिया है।
तो एक काम करो ना, पुलिस फोर्स भेज दो पूरी। कहाँ की है? झारखंड में।
झारखंड जामतारा
पुलिस फोर्स लेके भेजिए पूरी, पता करके बताइए भाई। ये तो अच्छा मौका मिला पकड़ के लाने के लिए।
जी जी,
अभी हम डायरेक्शन देते हैं एसपी को, इसमें एडिशनल पुलिस फोर्स प्रोवाइड करें इनको। बताइए डायरी में कहाँ लिखा कि जामतारा का है, प्रशांत कौन है, एक्यूज कौन है?
प्रशांत मुझे बताइए।
एसपी को डायरेक्शन देते हैं आपके, और डीजीपी को कॉपी फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं। खत्म बात। पुलिस चाहे तो वो किसी को भी हलक से निकाल सकती चीजें, कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है।
May it please this court, my lord. The investigating officer was directed to be present in court today.
Yes.
This matter first pertains to, my lord, defreezing of my bank account. It has been lying frozen for last 4 years, my lord, since January 2020. And so they have now, in the month of November 2023, filed a closure report.
यस, क्या है भाई?
डायरी लेके आए हमारा। ये अभी अक्टूबर में भी वहाँ आए हैं। क्लोजर रिपोर्ट चौथे महीने में फाइल हुई है कि जो अदर एसएचओ थे उन्होंने फाइल किया था। ये उस समय नहीं है, तो ये एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं अभी केस को। ये वहाँ अक्टूबर में, अभी जब ये इलेक्शन के समय में हुआ, कोर्ट आपको तब ये वहां पर आए हैं। और ये क्लोजर रिपोर्ट चौथे महीने की,
April 2023.
हाँ, क्या वो उसमें
क्लोजर रिपोर्ट दे दिए थे।
क्लोजर रिपोर्ट
matter in a nutshell is that the complainant in this case undergone a phishing expedition, my lord. What is happening these days where they call you and they take your OTP and they take your money from one account to the other. They may have fake phone numbers, everything. So, my lord, that happened. The money came to the account of the applicant. The applicant is a company, my lord, and they operate a money exchange system. So, money came to this account, but the unknown accused, they immediately took the money out to multiple other accounts. So, my lord, an FIR was registered in January 2020.
Who has lodged the complaint?
My lord, the respondent number 2.
Who is appear whether notice sir हुई कि नहीं?
My lord. Notices were issued, my lord. Service report may be.
Notice sir हुई कि नहीं? सर हो गया। हाँ।
My lord,
what was the complaint?
My lord, may kindly look at the FIR. My lord, in the FIR, they have said that on January 2020, certain person impersonated himself to be that of an employee of SBI and said that you need some updation and took the OTP, and about 12 lakh rupees went out from the account of the complainant to the account of the applicant. So, my lord, applicant is a 28-year-old company which operates a money changing system. They do not have any personal interest in the matter, just that their system was used to cheat the complainant.
Mr. You tell us what step you have taken in your at your side at New Delhi.
My lord, what we have done is we have written to the IO to offer complete
not to this IO. When any account, when the money has come to your account,
my lord,
what step you have taken to inform the organization or the special cell which has been constituted for verification of this fact?
My lord, in this case, my lord, since it's a nationwide operation, a lot of money comes in and leaves the account.
हम आपसे जो पूछ रहे हैं उसका मतलब बताओ। ये नेशन हो,
my lord, इस स्थिति में my lord इन्होंने ये पूरा ऑपरेशन ही क्लोज कर दिया।
No, you tell us what was your involvement, भाई।
My lord,
what step you have taken? after receiving the money up to the tune of rupees 12 lakhs,
My lord,
without any in and out,
my lord,
without knowing the fact from where this money is coming,
my lord,
what step you have taken?
my lord. Immediately, as soon as the money was received, within a day, the unknown accused, they transferred the money out to multiple
So
accounts.
how there your account is being operated?
My lord, we are like Paytm, for example. What happens is people can add money. At this time when the system was operating, they were trying to give banking services to those underserved population who do not have bank account. So, my lord, what used to happen is that they are.
कहाँ लिखा है आपने ये सारी चीजें?
My lord,
अपनी
it's all.
प्लेडिंग में नो इनकी डायरी को मत देखिए, आपकी प्लेडिंग में कहाँ लिखा है बताइए?
My lord, pleading. एक second, मेरा.
डायरी क्यों देखेंगे भाई?
Not diaries, my lord. The copy of the application.
आप अपने देखो ना, अपनी फाइल में देखो ना.
My lord, I have a copy of the reply. My application.
When you are not having the proper brief, how can you make a?
My lord, I have the soft copy of this.
ये कोई तरीका थोड़ी ना भाई हाई कोर्ट में.
My lord, I have my.
नहीं ये
my lord, my
थोड़ा
file.
सी ये सब मिस्टर सक्सेना.
My lord, my file was missing. My lord, I was trying
Take
not to
time.
take an adjournment.
No. Take an adjournment. Why the police officer has been called upon?
But because closure report was filed by the police matter, so SHO was
So before the magistrate.
yes, correct. Closure report.
So what whether any order has been passed?
No, my lord, no order has been passed. But SHO he is not the SHO at that time, my lord. Some other Mr. Pradeep Sori is the SHO who has filed the closure report. He has joined just in October 2023.
How you file a closure report?
My lord, on the closure report, page number 6 in the reply, my lord, what they have said is that they are not able to locate the actual unknown accused person. They are somewhere in Bengal, and their SIM numbers are cannot be traced, and their addresses are.
How can that closure report be submitted? It shows the functioning of the police department in the state of Chhattisgarh.
My lord.
Yes. So, my lord.
क्या इतना incompetent है हमारी स्टेट की पुलिस?
No, my lord. We are.
Then what is the purpose of keeping these men in these services?
And for that, my lord, they have taken.
He is not the.
No, he is not. But I am talking about the organization, not a particular person.
Yes,
I have no
sir.
personal grudge against anybody.
Yes, sir.
I am against this system.
As per the my lord, diary, they have sent some person to Jharkhand Jamtara. Police has sent, but they.
Whether the amount of rupees 12 lakhs has been returned back to the complainant?
No, my lord.
And why he is not appearing before this court?
I am not aware, my lord. He is also one of the police personnel. My lord, he is retired DSP.
Number 2, your respondent number 2 hai.
Yes, my lord.
Then why he is not turning up before this court?
My lord, this is the menace that is going on in the country, my lord, where someone is sitting in some states, some cities, fishing, some person sitting in another state, and money is never recovered, my lord.
मैंने इनको बोल दिया मैडम कि उनको इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए कोई दूर में रह रहे हैं वो कंप्लेनेंट वो किसी काउंसिल के थ्रू यहाँ अपियर हो जाए अगर कोई डेट दे दीजिए मैं उनको अपियर
ये यस बैंक का क्या इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट है?
Well, I have the account in Yes Bank.
Yes Bank में account
So money came into my account which is maintained in Yes Bank.
Yes Bank.
They have frozen my account for last 4 years, my lord. The investigation was going on for 4 years. So I am also suffering, my lord, because they could not locate the actual perpetrator.
You must have opened new account.
No, my lord. It is frozen. So this is one segment of my business where I was trying to provide services to those who do not have bank. It was misused by the unknown persons. My apparatus was used to, unfortunately, my lord, cheat the complainant. I have nothing to do with this, my lord.
भाई ऐसा इनका ये बताइए पूरा डायरी वाले में देखिए ये इनका इन्वॉल्वमेंट कैसे आ रहा है?
ये अकाउंट में पैसा गया है मैडम.
गया वही तो
ये अकाउंट में पैसा गया
जी.
इसका स्टेटमेंट है.
My lord, we have ourselves supplied the statement in this application that money came to our account, but we also supplied the statement that it left immediately. Because, my lord, the sub-agents, the unknown accused person, they were operating it. They figured out a loophole that we can use this apparatus, take the money from the complainant and send it to multiple other people. This kind of, my lord, operations are going on the entire. Every day we get a phone call. I'm this person, that person. You have not paid electricity bill. Please give OTP. And, my lord, those who are not very savvy with technology, they get trapped in a menace like this, my lord. Unfortunately, our apparatus was used. My lord, you have shut down the operation also.
Yes.
कोई भी एक फिक्स डेट दे मैंने ये इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे उनको जो
Yes, yes.
जो वो कंप्लेनेंट है.
इसमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ है भाई.
Yes, Parade. Earlier, I am appeared in this case, my lord. This file.
जी आपने वो ट्रायल कोर्ट में एप्लीकेशन मूव किया था.
My lord, we have moved it before the magistrate court.
What was the order?
My lord, order is annexed as A2.
What is the law in this regard?
My lord, the defreezing can be under one.
No. Once
My
the
lord.
investigation has been started,
My lord.
to what period your account will be freezed and what is the legal position?
My lord, under 102 CRPC,
Yes.
the investigating officer has the power to freeze the account.
Hmm.
That is settled.
Hmm.
But my lord, and during the investigation also, if the investigating officer deems it right that the account needs to be frozen for investigation, that is also all right, my lord. But in this case, my lord, once we have agreed to cooperate. Number two, my lord, it has been 4 years that it did not do any
नहीं वो तो आप
investigation.
समझ लिया, आपने एक बार बता चुके हैं आप 4 साल वाला.
So, my lord,
रिपीट मत
thereafter-
करो और उसको रिपीट मत करो. आप ये बताओ लॉ क्या बोलता है.
My lord, under 1021, they have to immediately inform the magistrate about certain
Yes.
freezing. That has not been done in
तो
our
ये
case.
विवेचना कितने दिन तक करोगे भाई. यश खाते की है,
ये तो कंप्लीट हो गई है.
यस बैंक के खाते क्रमांक 70 के राशि के अंतरण की विवेचना कब तक करोगे. विवेचना आखिर
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
ये तो महत्वपूर्ण है ना कि विवेचना कब तक.
नहीं, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट है
हाँ
और वो जो एक्यूज है वो एब्सकॉन्डिंग है. बाकी
एक्यूज मिल गया आपको. कौन है.
वो प्रशांत कुमार नाम दिया हुआ है इसमें.
हाँ
प्रशांत कुमार है, जामतारा का है. वहाँ टीम भी भेजे हैं.
हाँ
4 बार टीम गई है.
हाँ
वो जामतारा से भाग जाते हैं और जामतारा में थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बिंग एरिया है.
तो एक काम करो ना, पुलिस फोर्स पे तो पूरी कहाँ की है. झारखंड में ना,
झारखंड जामतारा.
पुलिस फोर्स लेके भेजिए पूरी. पता करके बताइए भाई. ये तो अच्छा मौका मिला पकड़ के लाने के लिए.
जी जी
अभी हम डायरेक्शन दे देते हैं एसपी को, इसमें एडिशनल पुलिस फोर्स प्रोवाइड करें इनको.
जी.
बताइए डायरी में कहाँ लिखा कि जामतारा का है, प्रशांत कौन है, एक्यूज कौन है.
प्रशांत मत बताइए.
एसपी को डायरेक्शन देते हैं आपके और डीजीपी को कॉपी फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं. खत्म बात.
My lord, पता चलेगा कि वो प्रशांत कुमार का भी फेक सिम यूज करे तो उसका
जो भी हो,
आधार कार्ड निकाल.
जो भी हो,
बहुत ही मुश्किल हो गया है.
मुश्किल कोई असंभव नहीं है. एक बात बता
They
दें,
should do it. my
अरे
lord.
पुलिस चाहे तो वो किसी को भी हलक से निकाल सकती चीजें. कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है.
my lord, तुरंत अगर तुरंत इन लोग करते ना, जनवरी
अभी भी मिल
2020
जाएगा.
में 4 साल तक कुछ नहीं किया इन लोगों ने. मतलब आए दिन ऐसे लोग आते हैं कि हमारे साथ
नहीं,
ऐसा हो
नहीं.
गया, हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं, FIR तक नहीं लिखते. कई सारे केसेस थे हमारे लोग.
अब अच्छा है ना कि मैं मलिया पकड़ में आया
जी,
तो
मालूम.
देखते हैं इसमें कुछ करेंगे.
मुझे ही my lord, पिछले 2-3 महीने में 1-2 फोन कॉल आए हैं कि मुझे OTP दीजिए, आपका डिलीवरी आ रहा है ब्लू डार्ट का. वो अब थोड़ा हम लोग इस तरह के मैटर्स कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा अवेयर हो गए. नहीं तो फिर जो हमारे पेरेंट्स के जनरेशन के उनको से तुरंत OTP निकाल लेते हैं इन लोग.
ठीक है. ये
वो प्रशांत कुमार मंडल के लिए टीम गई है 2 बार.
ठीक है. The learned government advocate would submit that the named accused Prashant, क्या नाम है प्रशांत.
प्रशांत मंडल.
Mandal, for arresting Prashant Mandal, team was sent to the Jamtara.
जामतारा गई है, देवघर भी गई है.
Jamtara, Devgarh, Jharkhand, but he could not be traced out. So let the Superintendent of Police take personal interest and see that the accused, named accused Prashant Mandal is arrested, arrested on before the next date of hearing. Leave this case on 9th January. On that day, the SHO shall remain present before this court and will inform what is the status of the investigation carried out by them. So, a copy of the order be also forwarded to the DGP Chhattisgarh for onwards compliance. to see that the order passed by this court is being given effect in its letter and spirit. Yes. 9 January.
Very kind.